Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to remove the background from the image. But before we start this, I just may ask you please subscribe my channel. It's help us a lot so uh, we can create a more video like this. And if you have any suggestion, then just let us know on the comments. So I will improve on that and I will try to improve my audio and everything. So just let me know if you want to know something else, or if you want some improvement on this or any topic if you want, then I will create for that. So let's start. So what we have to do, we have to remove the any background from the image. So firstly we need to select that image from where we need to remove the background. So I will pick up some image. Let's open any image. For example, we can see this. So from here, okay, sometimes that happen, the image will not open. So what we can do in this case actually is very simple, and that happens so many times. That's why it's good that we are receiving this error right now. So what we can do, we can open that image into the editor, any editor like Paint, and then copy that Control A and Control C to copy the image. So from here we can also do uh, we can select entire image and by using Control A and Control C to copy that image. And now what we have to do, we have to open our Photoshop, create new, and from here it automatically comes by selected the upon our clip art, same resolution will be automatically comes up. So we can create here and then use the Control V. So that image which are not open in the Photoshop, now it's open. Now what today I am going to do, we are going to remove this area of heart and put our own image in this place. Okay, so simply firstly sometime we can see this lock here. So firstly we have to remove the lock if the lock is present in our image, but if not, then it's so great, and we will remove this background. So I'll remove this background, and now there is so few way that we can do it. We can select by the tool, and we can just directly drag the tools to the area that you can see. Yeah, it's hectic to work on like that, but this is the good way, and in this way you can select the area which you want to remove. So I'm just going to show how you can remove it, and just pick up one by one, drag the area, and it takes some time. Sometimes it takes too much, but yeah, this is the good practice actually. So now you can see it's selected and simply just delete. So this has been removed. Another way I will let you know is we can simply click on the selection, color selection, and select this color and OK. So you can see this color has been selected, but some portion has been left. So what we can do, we can go back again, color range, and now you can see while I press the shift key with this, then you can see the plus sign. That means we can add more color over here. We are going to add this. Now you can see. So black area will be removed and white area will be kept. If you want to make it fuzziness means you can select range of the color can be increased and decreased that you can see. So we'll select accordingly and just click on OK. So you see, by selecting the fuzziness, we can this area is also not going to remove. So I will do it again. Yes, I will filter range and then click here. And all by using the shift key and the click, I will add some more color here. So you can see, so now my all the color has been selected. Now simply click on OK. So this particular range has been selected. But we can see it here. This area is not covered. So that we can cover it up by using the again to this tool. So by using Control, Alter, and Space. So if we use space with Alter, then it's going to be zoom out. If we going remove the alter using the just only press Control and space, then we can and click, then it's make bigger. Now what we have to do, we have to add some area, so we can adjust using that same tool. So just select anywhere we are going to add by using shift sign, and then you can see I can add more space. And for example, it happens sometime wrong. I click here, but I don't want to click here. So go for the go back. I need to press on the delete sign. So you see, I go back to the delete and make it some big. So by using Control space, now click here, here, here. So go step one by one. We'll do only this. So this is covered. Now what I'm just going to do, I'm going to remove this area, means we don't need to cover this area. So I need to unselect. Previously I selected, now I need to unselect. So for the unselect, we need to use the alter. Alter and then start removing. You see, now it's removed. Unselect. Now we do the same. Now I need to drag to the up. So we can drag and down from the here and here. But if we don't need to use this arrow from here, I need to drag and drop over a screen, then directly use a space, and then we can drag and drop. Now we need to remove this area. So again use this alter and delete. Now we need to add this area. So Control Shift and add. Now here, so we need to unselect this area. So use the alter sign. And now we need to unselect this area. So again use the alter sign. Need to make it big. So Control and space and click. Now we need to drag to the bottom. So space. And directly we can delete it. So it's deleted. Now second portion, we need to add some background here. Means I need to add my image here. So now we need to add a second image. So firstly I need to open the second image. So file and open the image which I need to add here. So I need to add this image. So just select the selected image which you need to open here, and just after select, just copy, Control C, and then paste it here. So you see the image will come up, the top of this image, but I don't need the top, I need it in the background. So firstly, what I can do, I can just use the transform icon because I need to make it up and down, big and short. So use Control T. So Control T is a free transform that now we can drag and drop anywhere, but this will not go back. I need to go back to the layer. So firstly, what I do, I will drag this layer to this layer from here. If you see, I drag the layer from here to here. Now you see the background is in this image is going to the background. Now I use the Control T, and now this is pretty simple. Now I can move this image like this. So it's make it more good. We can align it from here and good. Now the extra image we can remove it directly by using our tool. Just remove it because it's in background, so it doesn't matter, and we can remove it. So we are selected to the background image. That's the front image is not selected. Just select only the layer. Now again I copy the image and paste it, and now use the Control T sign so I can see my images here. Now I move this image like this, and now this image comes over to this image. So what I can do, I can drag this layer to the down. So now it's perfect. I hope that you understand each and every step. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me on the comment. Thank you. And yeah, once more, please be subscribe and add the comment if you want anything.